Anatomy of coins. It is important for every numismatist to understand the anatomy of a coin. Depending on various features and changes to them, a coin can become scarce or even rare. Hence, let us try and explore the anatomy of coins in this video. A coin usually has two sides or faces. They are widely known as head and tail. In numismatic study, it is known as obverse and reverse. The obverse side of the coin, which is referred as heads while tossing a coin, has great importance on the coin. It usually depicts portrait of ruler, or monarch, or emblem of the country and name of the country. These will vary from country to country. In some coins, it becomes harder to distinguish which is obverse. This may be because in neither side of the coin, you will be able to find a portrait. In such coins, there may be a face with some unique symbol specific to the country. This side will be considered as the obverse of that coin. The reverse side of the coin, also known as the tail, depicts the denomination of the coin, year of issue and mint mark. Legend. It is also known as inscription. This is the writings that can be observed on the faces of the coin. It speaks about the importance of the coin, the country name, the issuing authority, event or individual of commemoration, value or worth of the coin, etc. The language of inscription is based on the country. Portrait. Most of the coins issued by different countries bears portraits of rulers or leaders. It may be the image of a building or certain representations related to an even, if the coin is commemorating something. Field and relief. The field is any flat area of the coin that has not been raised off from the surface of the coin during minting. The portion of the design that has been raised is called the relief. Rim. The rim is the upraised part of the coin that runs all the way around the edge of the coin on both sides. Rim is upraised before the coins are minted. Rim protects the coins from wear and tear to a certain extent. It also makes the stacking of coins easier. Coins are minted with various types of rims, such as plain raised rim, toothed rim, toothed decorative rim, thin plain rim, thick plain rim, edge. Edge is an outer border of the coin. It is sometimes referred as the third side of the coin. It runs the entire circumference of the coin. There are various types of edges such as plain, plain reeded, reeded, reading, slant reeded right, center slanted reading right, slant reeded left, center slanted reading left, herringbone right, herringbone left, lettered. Security edges, mint mark. Coins are minted from various mints that may be situated inside or outside the country. To identify from which mint the coins are minted, a small mark is added to coins specific to that mint. These marks are called mint marks. Usually they are found below the date. Few coins use the first letter of the mint as mint mark. For example, Indian proof set coins uses M for Mumbai. There is no mint mark for the coins minted in Kolkata. Date. The date on the coin represent the year of minting. Shape. Generally, most of the coins are issued in circular shape. Circular coins are easy to handle and are more resistant against erosion. Some countries even have issued coin in odd shapes such as that of guitar, bike, cola cap, etc. Most widely used shapes are circular, square, scalloped circular, scalloped octagon, hexagon, hendecagonal. Size. Coins are of various sizes. Coins of circular, scalloped, hexagonal etc. are measured in diameter, and coins in square shape are measured in length multiplied by breadth usually. Metal composition. Metal composition and face value are two important concepts associated with minting of coins. Generally, the value of the metal composition is 5 to 10% less than the face value of the coin. This is to control minting fake or forged coins and melting coins for a minimal profit. Coins are minted in single metal or an alloy of two or more metals. Alignment or orientation. Alignment refers to the positioning of obverse and reverse side compared to each other. Majorly they are of two kinds. Coin alignment is the kind of alignment in which both faces are placed in a difference of 180 degrees. This means that if one side of the coin will be upside down compared with the other side of the coin. Medal alignment is the kind of alignment in which both faces are placed in parallel direction. And finally, denomination. Denomination or face value is the monetary value of the coin. This is given in letters in some coin and in numbers only in others. Some coins have both letters and numbers.